only been around 5 months and I'm hopping on this brand new tape makeup trend. Wow. But I have an excuse. Okay, how do you do this? I was cutting it off and cut off a piece of my hair. Okay, that is super weird. Oh my god. I can breathe still. That's good. But it would be an even better idea to cut off the bottom piece. This better be worth it. Putting some eye primer on. I'm trying not to move my face. Start tapping on those neon rainbow pigments and eyeshadows. By the way, the products I'm using, you can see them on screen. Some of them even have discount codes, some don't. Apply them in rainbow order and in reverse rainbow order on the other side. So this way, whichever side you turn, you will still be able to show off a rainbow. It's gonna be either magnificent or awful. Let's check. Okay. Pretty good looking here. Just need to remove some fallout, but that's okay. My hair, my hair, my hair, my hair. Ooh. That's actually quite nice. I'm sweating here. I need to like wipe this all off with water and reapply my face cream. Applying foundation is gonna be tricky. Especially seeing that I look in the camera instead of a mirror. That's probably not a good idea. Definitely worked better with a mirror. I recommend a mirror, not the camera for this, guys. For the rest of your face, you can just apply foundation with a big brush or sponge, whichever you usually do. Let's have fun with a hydroliner! We're gonna paint flowers just for that extra summer makeup touch. I almost forgot the mascara again, and I want to try this new one. The rare occasion where you see me wearing black mascara. And since the eye makeup look is so flashy, we're gonna go for a nude lip makeup look, right? Wrong! Have I not taught you anything? 2 rainbows are better than 1! Starting with the yellow. 3 rainbows are better than 2, 4 are better than 3. You get the idea. To do the rainbow lips, apply the lipsticks in reverse on each lip so that you can show off the rainbow from each side. You can see so many more rainbow lip tutorials on my YouTube channel. Have you ever heard of tape makeup before? Have you tried it? Would you? Let me know in the comments!